Hello, we are doing lesson 76, which is division with three-digit answers. So the good news about division with three-digit answers is you find those answers in the exact same way that you would solve any other division problem. So the first step is always divide. So first we are going to divide. How many times does 6 go into 1? Well, not at all. So we could put a 0 here. We don't have to. 6 goes into 15 twice. So we just did our division. Now our next step is multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12. Our next step is subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now I'm going to bring down my next number, 31. 6 goes into 31 5 times. What I just did was I repeated. 6 goes into 31 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. 31 minus 30 is 1. Bring down my 2. 6 goes into 12 twice. So my three-digit quotient is 252. Let's try that again. Here we have 974 divided by 4. We are going to follow the same steps as last time. How many times does 4 go into 9? Or how many times can you divide 9 by 4? We can divide 9 by 4 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 goes into 17. 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Is 1. Bring down the 4. 4 goes into 14 3 times. Ooh, I gotta write it little. With 2 left over. So 974 divided by 4 is 243, remainder 2. Now the first one did not have a remainder. This one does. And either way, we still follow the same steps. Now here's a little bit of a challenge, but not too much, not too tough for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I notice that my dividend looks a little different than normal. It is dollar and decimal. So what I'm going to do to make sure that I don't forget that and I don't put my decimal in the wrong spot is I'm going to look right above the bar and I'm going to rewrite each symbol right above where they are in the dividend. So my quotient should have the same place value as my dividend. So I'm going to start with my usual step, which is division. 5 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down my 9. 5 goes into 29 5 times. I am now repeating. 5 times 5 is 25. 29 minus 5 is 4. Bring down my 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. My answer is $1.59. All right, time to try it on your own.